Looking for a way to support your immune system that's toxin-free? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, and I'm going to tell you all about Defender Essential Oil Blend. In this video, I'll be telling you what's in this blend, how it works, and different ways you can use it, and make sure you know how to use it safely. The first oil in this blend is Eucalyptus Essential Oil. Eucalyptus Essential Oil is really good at killing germs on surfaces and out of the air. Cinnamon Essential Oil is also in this blend. Cinnamon has an uplifting aroma that can help soothe stress, and stress is one of the common reasons we get sick in the first place. It also helps support circulation to keep your body healthy. Lemon Essential Oil in this blend helps stimulate your immune system. It does this by its uplifting and energizing aroma that helps keep the body alert and activating white blood cells. The last oil in this blend is Rosemary Essential Oil, which is really good at killing germs and bacteria. Let's talk about some different ways you can use our Defender Essential Oil Blend. You can use it in a diffuser to help kill germs out of the air if you're having a gathering and are worried about sickness spreading. It also works as a great cleaner. You can use it in DIY cleaning products you make. We have a lot of great recipes on our blog, which I'll link to below. You can also use it in our Smell Fresh body spray to help boost your immune system and make sure you smell great. For more recipes to use with Defender Essential Oil Blend, check out the blog post in the description box. Let's make sure you know how to use Defender Essential Oil Blend safely. Some of these oils in this blend are skin irritating. We recommend using this blend at a 3% dilution rate or lower. The oils in this blend are not safe for children. We recommend using this blend with individuals aged 10 and up. We don't recommend using this blend around pets. If you're ever using essential oils around a pet, make sure you leave the door open so that they can leave the room if the aroma bothers them. Defender Essential Oil Blend can cause adverse effects or irritation in cats or dogs. Some more safety essential oil info with this blend. It could be slightly phototoxic because there is lemon essential oil in it. This means using it on your skin could make you more likely to get sunburned. Don't use this blend if you have high blood pressure or epilepsy. Also avoid this blend if you are on antidepressant medication or anticoagulant medication. Always talk to your doctor before using essential oils if you are receiving treatment or on any kind of medication. Your health matters. How do you support your immune system naturally? Comment below. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to get more videos like this.